So I found the fix. So what we need to do is first turn off the machine. Finish it down. To do this, just insert go to installers, Windows, and Windows 98 to see, then mount this partition format. And Control C. Right, so let's try to turn it other. It should work because it's inserted there. So try to look into them again with support. It should work. So as you see, boss is complete. Check JR /PT CD. You need to check out the drives. This makes sense. It's already inserted optical drive here. So there's a USB. Except if we do this. So what we do is installer Windows. Not this. Which I can find after this link. Config. Just looking here. Also then drivers. And then the tools. It should be inserted now. Is it work? Yes. CD format save. That cannot be. It's not working. Let them just pause. Okay, so now we're gonna have another video. Today we're gonna install Windows 98 in our virtual manager or virtual machine. So now let's create the virtual machine first. So let's call it Windows 98 LANs. There's Windows 98 already pre-selected, then we could change another VM folder, so we can put it there. So since I'm using another drive, virtual drive, then select the ISO image for Windows 98. Go Windows 98 SE, and there you go, it's now selected. You can change the hardware. Let's say I'm going to put it as 200 MB and 50 MB. Then the hard disk too, I'm going to change it to 50. Click finish. Go. Now Windows 98 is already, the machine for Windows 98 is now installed. Now we can now start the installation process for OS. For a moment. It's opening. There we go. Boot from hard disk and boot from CD-ROM. So what we need to do now is first start boot from hard disk. Oh wait, there you go. Now it doesn't work because we don't have anything in the hard disk. So let's go first with boot from CD-ROM. Then it's starting with CD-ROM support. Number 2. There you go. Device name, apologies, it's complete. It's gonna open. We're gonna create 2 partitions here. There you go. We now created it. We need to create 2 partitions together with installing it from the hard drive itself. So let's first go on to the video, to the thing. Let's go on. So first, what we need to do is create 2 partitions first. So first, we need to do is press or insert F disk. Here you go, large enough FV is version, and this is press Y, large disk support. Then we need to create a DOS partition. There's 1, then create the primary DOS partition. I'm just gonna check. International size, no, since we're gonna use 50% of the C drive and 50% of the D drive. So and here you go. Then if what we need, we can put percentage here. So just put %. Press enter. Then the primary DOS partition is now created. So just press escape. Alright, next is we need to create another logical DOS partition and create an extended one. Here you go. So we'll just press enter since it's the 50% too. Then press escape. Then press enter. Then press escape. Then we are done. We need to restart. Okay, so we need to restart first before formatting. So what we need to do is go to machine and then reset, and it's going to restart the computer. Okay. So now we need to format the 2. Here you go. Now to boot devices. Let's try to choose. Try to insert again the device. So create the CE. Then let's try to restart. There you go. So we need to do is put some CD-ROM. Then start with CD-ROM support. Right. We'll be waiting for a moment. Now it's still created. Now it's done. You need to format both C drive and D drive. So what you need to do is just press format, put format, then C/S, format/S, C, format C, then /S. Wait, let me just check if it's correct. Format S. Check if it's right. Okay, so the right prompt is what we inserted for the first time. How does it work? Format C/S. Does it work? Let's try to format B first. Check out this alright. Alright, now we have go to this. Does it work? C/S. What modify that? Does it really make sense? I would say let's go back to CD. It's not working somehow from its C/S. Does it work? Hold on. Let's check if there's formats here. So here we don't have, I think we don't have a format. I have this though. And from we don't have format. There's no format here. Try going to 𝐶𝐑𝐃. They are yes, we can format it, I think. Wait, let me just have a moment and let me pause the video. Right, so I found the fix. Let's try if this works. Since the format file is not on the A disk, rather it's on the X disk. So let's try it if it's there. The X. Say there are X// again. Here again. CDH on the RX. There's the drive. Miss the X// system. Hold on. Let me just check for another solution.